Are you tired of spending a fortune on beauty products that promise miracles but deliver little? What if the real secret to glowing skin and healthy hair lies not in a bottle but on your plate? In this video, we're revealing 5 powerhouse superfoods that can transform your beauty from within. These natural wonders are packed with essential nutrients that nourish your skin, strengthen your hair, and give you that youthful glow you've been dreaming of. Curious? Keep watching till the end to discover these magical foods and learn how to easily incorporate them into your daily diet. Rainbow Superfood Number 1, the radiant glow of berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are nature's treasure trove of antioxidants. These tiny fruits are loaded with vitamin C and E, which fight free radical damage, a major cause of dull and aging skin. How do they work? Protect skin cells from oxidative stress. Boost collagen production for firm and youthful skin. Reduce inflammation and promote an even skin tone. Hand pointing right pro tip: add a handful of berries to your morning smoothie or yogurt bowl for a delicious and healthy glow. Superfood Number 2, the hair strengthening magic of spinach. Spinach is a powerhouse of iron and vitamin A, both essential for strong and healthy hair growth. Lack of iron can lead to hair thinning and loss, while vitamin A helps produce sebum, a natural conditioner for the scalp. Benefits of spinach: prevents hair loss and strengthens hair follicles. Nourishes the scalp and promotes shine. Boosts overall hair volume. Leaf fluttering in wind easy recipe: blend spinach with banana and almond milk for a nutrient-packed green smoothie. Fish Superfood Number 3, the collagen boost of salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for maintaining skin elasticity and hydration. These healthy fats also prevent dry scalp and dandruff, giving you healthier and shinier hair. Why is salmon a beauty superfood? Enhances skin's moisture barrier. Reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Strengthens hair roots and prevents breakage. Sushi quick tip: enjoy grilled salmon with quinoa and veggies for a delicious and beauty-boosting meal. Superfood Number 4, the skin-soothing power of avocado. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins E and C, which repair damaged skin and keep it moisturized. Its anti-inflammatory properties also help soothe irritated and sensitive skin. Benefits of avocado: deeply hydrates the skin. Reduces redness and inflammation. Boosts collagen production. DIY avocado mask: mash avocado with honey and apply it to your face for a nourishing and glowing effect. Teacup without handle Superfood Number 5, the detoxifying elixir of green tea. Green tea is a rich source of catechins, powerful antioxidants that protect your skin from sun damage and pollution. It also reduces scalp inflammation and stimulates hair growth. How green tea works: fights acne and reduces blemishes. Prevents hair loss and promotes shiny hair. Detoxifies the body for a clearer complexion. Teacup without handle pro tip: sip on green tea daily or use it as a hair rinse for extra shine. Glowing star conclusion: embrace the power of superfoods. By incorporating these 5 magical superfoods into your diet, you can achieve glowing skin and luscious hair naturally. Remember, beauty starts from within, and consistency is key. Fire, which superfood will you try first? Share your thoughts and beauty tips in the comments section below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health and beauty secrets. Hand pointing right, hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Number glowing skin, number healthy hair, number superfoods, number natural beauty, number skincare routine, number healthy lifestyle.